सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 13.2 problem number 5. Let us see the question. This is the given question. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See figures. Yeah, this is the given figure. Okay, right. And these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at number 8 and an odd number, a number greater than 2, and fourth one a number less than 9. So here we have to find the probability of getting a number 8 and a number odd number and greater than 2, less than 9. So these kind of spinning wheels you may observe in movies. Okay, so in clubs the heroes or villains may play this kind of spinning wheels. The famous movie Jagadeka Veera Atiloka Sundari, the Chiranjeevi's movie, you can observe this kind of spinning wheel. Okay, right, look at the solution for this. Let us write first what is given. Number of total outcomes are, how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total we have 8 numbers. So maximum possibilities. So total number of outcomes that are 8. Okay, right. So number of outcomes favorable to age. Our first question is probability of point at number 8. So number of outcomes favorable to 8. How many 8s we have? We have only 1 8. Okay, so favorable outcome to 8 is 1. Only 1 8 we have, that is why I am taking favorable outcome is 1. Okay, right. Next, so P of 8, nothing but probability of pointing at number 8. So that is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, so total number of outcomes we have 8, favorable outcomes we have only 1. So it becomes 1 by 8. Okay, so 1 by 8 is the probability of getting 8. Okay, or pointing at number 8. Okay, right. Next, so second one, number of odd numbers on the spinning wheel. How many odd numbers we have? So we have 1 to 8 numbers. So total numbers 8. So in the odd numbers they are 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. So total numbers 4. 4 odd numbers we have on spinning wheel. Okay, right. So we have to find the probability of pointing at odd numbers. So what is the formula? Number of outcomes favorable to an odd number is 4. So favorable outcomes is 4. What is the formula? Probability of getting an odd number is equal to P of odd, nothing but probability of odd number is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, so favorable outcomes is 4, total outcomes we have 8. If you take the cancellation, it becomes 4 by 8, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So P of odd, nothing but probability of an odd number is 1 by 2. Is it clear? I hope you understand. Next, third one. In third question, we have to find probability of getting a number greater than 2. Okay, right. So how many numbers we have greater than 2? Look at here. Number greater than 2 are, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are greater than 2. Okay, right. How many outcomes? Yeah, number of outcomes favorable to greater than 2 are 6. So greater than 2 we have 6 numbers, which is given in 8 numbers. Okay, right. So we have to find the probability of getting greater than 2 or pointing greater than 2 numbers, right? So probability of pointing a number greater than 2 is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcomes we have 6, total outcomes we have 8. Already we have seen in the first and second problems. So 6 by 8 is the probability. We have to cancel them here. 2 3s are 2 4s are. So E is nothing but our event here. Okay, our event is pointing a number greater than 2. Okay, instead of writing E, you can write in the bracket P of greater than 2. Okay, you can write P of greater than 2. Okay, right here. So 2 3s are 2 4s are, 3 by 4 is the probability of getting a or pointing a greater than 2 number. Okay, right. So coming to fourth one, what is the fourth question? Probability of getting a or probability of a number greater than less than 9. So less than 9 means we have up to 8 numbers only. It means all the numbers are less than 9 only. So here you can see number less than 9 are, yeah, all the numbers are given here. All the numbers are less than 9 only. Okay, so what are the favorable outcomes now? The favorable outcomes are 8. Okay, number of outcomes favorable to pointing a number less than 9, that is equals to 8, because we have 8 numbers here. Okay, so which is equals to total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is also 8. Okay, if you see probability of a number less than 9, that is equals to P of E. Our event is getting a number less than 9. So number of outcomes favorable to less than 9 by total number of outcomes is equals to, yeah, favorable outcomes is also 8 as well as total outcomes is also 8. If you take the cancellation, 8 ones are both 8 cancel, 1 is remaining. The probability of an event is nothing but here getting a number less than 9 or pointing a number less than 9. Okay, we can write P of less than 9. Okay, right. So P of E is equals to 1. So we know that if the probability of an event is 1, that is called a sure event, or we can call certain event. Okay, isn't it? Certain event or sure event, right? So this fourth one is a sure event because all the numbers are less than 8 or less than 9 only. Okay, so we get either any one of the 8 numbers. Okay, that is sure event. I hope you understand this problem. Thank you.